Hello everyone and welcome back for the computer session. So dear students, today we are going to cover the lesson number 8. Lesson number 8 is all about MS Excel. In MS Excel, we are going to learn presenting data in chart. So in short, we are going to learn about the charts. So we are going to cover up like how types of chart, chart area, how to create chart, how to do the changes, how to do editing, how to do formatting, and different things. So let's understand the importance of the chart. You know, more than the textual data, with the text or with the word, picture speaks more. For example, you can look at this picture and notify me in the chat box what is this picture mean for, what is this symbol, for what it is used, what it indicates. Look at the picture. Okay, I'm waiting for your reply. Just notify me in the chat box. Yes, as you said, this sign is for the danger. Okay, so this picture here, there is no text, there is no spellings, nothing, no words are written, but you understood this sign is for the danger. So wherever we wanted to indicate not to enter or not to touch or not to go in particular place, there these symbols we can see. Most probably on electric poles or electric DPs, we can see this near the transformer. So nobody supposed to touch that. That's why these symbols are kept. So why I have shown this picture to you all? Because I just wanted to clarify that the picture speaks more than the words. So by one look, we can understand, okay, not to touch these things, by this is danger. So same way with the chart, we can understand the score or we can understand the comparison. It would be more easiest for people to understand. Now look at this picture. Here is this chart, so we can understand this graph is big and orange graph is small. Okay, here we can see this covering of the area like this orange, this all are equally covered. Then most probably this type of graph you can see in the cricket match. Okay, this second one and this first one also, this you can see in the cricket match, to show the score of the runs in particular overs. This is the comparison run between two teams. So like this of chart, we by this chart we can understand how this moment of the runs were in the cricket match. Also it is used in different places or in different fields. The charts are very useful. Why? Because by one simple look we can understand the comparison of the data or data flow, right? So let's understand the chart area. The first point which we are going to cover, that is chart area. First we will understand what we can call to a particular place in the chart. For example, here you can see the chart. Now these graphs are there. Here some values are entered. Here some names are given. So what we can call, which is x-axis, which is y-axis, what is legend, what is labels. So all the element of the chart we are going to cover. So please pay attention and listen to it.
Chapter 8 MS Excel Presenting Data in Charts. Components of a chart. The various components of a chart are: the chart area is the entire chart and all its elements. X-axis or category axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. It shows the names. Y-axis or value axis is the vertical axis of a chart. It shows the values or data series. Axis titles are labels or titles of x-axis and y-axis. The plot area is the area of the chart bounded by the axis. Data series are representation of data in the form of bars and other elements. The legend identifies the patterns or colors that are assigned to the data series or categories in the chart. Chart title is the title of the chart.
So I hope so you understood the each topic of this. Once again, I'll play and you please pay attention which is x-axis, y-axis, data labels, legend, chart title. Okay, so all area you should know. Next time, after few minutes, I'll ask you to point out. Say the names of the area and components. You have to point
Chapter
out by
8,
scribbling.
MS Excel, Presenting Data in Charts. Components of a chart. The various components of a chart are: the chart area is the entire chart and all its elements. X-axis or category axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. It shows the names. Y-axis or value axis is the vertical axis of a chart. It shows the values or data series. Axis titles are labels or titles of x-axis and y-axis. The plot area is the area of the chart bounded by the axis. Data series are representation of data in the form of bars and other elements. The legend identifies the patterns or colors that are assigned to the data series or categories in the chart. Chart title is the title of the chart.
So now I hope so you understood. Okay, the elements or the components of the chart. So this is chart title, this is x-axis, y-axis, all these things. These are the legends, chart area, isn't it? So if you understood, type U for understood in the chat box. Be quick and be fast. Now let's understand the type of charts. So in Excel provides us a different type of chart and many types of chart. But mainly those all charts are categorized into different 5 to 6 categories. So here you can see the name of those types: column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, and scatter chart. There are you can see in each type you will get more than 10 options. In each you will get more than 10 options, almost 60 options you will get, more than 60. So column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, and xy chart. So most popular and everywhere you can see the charts like column chart, line chart, and pie chart. These are most popular and maximum fields are using this type of charts. So let's understand one by one. Okay. So first is column chart. Column chart. This chart display the data in the form of vertical columns. Here you can see the vertical columns, blue and orange color columns are given, right? Look at this picture. So usually you can understand this column chart. Okay, so this type of chart we can see in the cricket match, as I said in the beginning. Okay, to show the score, run score in the first over, run score in the second over, like that. If two team comparison also we want to show there, that way also we can use this column chart. Not only the cricket, wherever we wanted to show the graph of progress. For example, in company, the sales in the first month, second month, so that also can be displayed with the help of graph. So by one look, we can understand which month maximum sale has done by the company. Next is line chart. This is also very popular. This type of chart also used in the cricket, okay, as well as where we wanted to compare two things. So this line will display two things, how it is flowing. For example, first team scored, India scored, and their line, and same way the Australia scores. So that score we can see in the two comparison lines, two different lines. Okay, so this way we can see a particular progress and comparison, progress as well as comparison we can see in the line chart. Then next is pie chart. In this type of chart, data is displayed in the form of circle that shows the size of item in each data series. Means this will show you the particular area, coverage area. For example, if you want to see the population of the state wise, so that we can enter. So it will show where is a less, where is a more. Now in this chart it is showing uh, the area equal, but when we will enter the value, different value, so this area will be big and small. So when you want to see the population or area wise, which is big state, small state, so first we have to enter the values, and based on that it will show you the details. The next is a bar chart. Bar chart also similar like column chart. Bar chart and column charts are similar, only the one the difference or uh, what is the change in that chart and this chart, it is vertically and this is shows horizontally. The bars are shown horizontally, it is showing vertically in standing position, it is showing in sleeping position. Okay, next is area chart. In this type of chart, data is displayed in the form of an area. It is used to show a magnitude of a change over the time. After a particular time, whatever the changes are taken the place, that we can compare with the help of area chart. Next is XY chart. Also, we can call it scatter chart. A scatter chart is used to show the correlation between two cells of value. If we have a company and in that if you want to compare two different sales values, means what items we have sold out, if you want to compare it with the two different values, so that we can easily differentiate with the help of XY chart. So altogether these six type of chart are there, which are there for your studies in the Excel. So from that you can create all these charts with the practicals. Okay, so most commonly or most popularly everywhere used those charts are column chart, line chart and pie chart. These first three are more popular and maximum it is used. Now let's understand the practical how to create the chart. Is it? So I hope so you understood the first topic, chart elements, as well as second point, types of chart. If you understood, type U for understood in the chat box quick. Very good. So let's move to the next point. Next point is a practical how to create the chart. So here I'm going to show you a small video how to create a chart. So please pay attention and try to understand this. If you get any confusion, any problem, you can raise your hand to ask the doubt.
Creating a chart. The steps to create a chart are: select the cell range you want to chart, including column titles. For example, A1 is to E6. On Insert tab in Charts group, click on Desired Chart Type. Select the chart subtype from the drop-down list, for example, column chart, and select the clustered columns. The selected chart appears on the worksheet. Two new tabs named as Design and Format appear under Charts Tools category. These tabs can be used to change the design and format the chart. Let's learn about them in the coming sections.
So this was the simple steps how we can create the charts. So in this video it is shown very simple step, but data was already ready. So for you to understand better way, let's understand in my system. I'll create and I'll show you. So one very simple example we are going to take, which you can understand easily. Like we have four houses in our school, like red house, green house, blue house, right? So each house we are scoring the whole year the points, and that chart we are going to create. So first we will give the title house, and second title we will give score. First we need to type the data. Okay, if data is already ready, then directly you have to select and you can create. It will take only 30 seconds, less than a minute to create a chart, because everything is ready, but your data should be ready before. So here I'm creating the data. Okay, I hope so it's visible for you clearly. So here I have typed score, okay, house and their score. So let me write their names, red house, red, green, yellow, and their score, annual score, for example, red house is 500, greenhouse 600, 400, then 400, 4, okay, we will write here 300, okay, and this is 700. Now our data is ready, okay, data is ready, and we will check it by creating graph. So what to do? The first step is select, okay, the data where we enter the information, that you have to select. Then we have to go to insert tab, we have to click on insert tab, and here you can see the chart. So which chart you want? As we learn, column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, which chart? So as I said, most popular this column chart, so we will select. In column also you can see it is 2D, 3D, cylindrical shape, cone shape, pyramid shape. So almost more than 10 types are there again in the column. So we will go for this one, 3D one. Okay, so the 3D, in 3D I'll select first, and our graph is ready. Got it? If I don't want this chart, then just click and delete button, it will go. Select the data. After that, go to insert tab, go to column, and select the type of, which type of column chart you want. So here it is shown the score. So by this graph we can understand which house is leading. By this picture easily we can understand this house is leading. Which is this house? Red house, right? Also we can color these columns, that we will learn in the upcoming sessions. I hope so you understood how to create the chart. If you understood, type U for understood in the chat box. Now next point we are going to cover up, that is moving and resizing the chart. So how to move and resize the chart. So here you can see I have created, this was the big, so I want to make it little small. So go to this point, corner points. So when you will reach to corner points, the arrow will show, just reduce its size, decrease, or you can increase. You can decrease the width, you can increase the width, you can decrease the height, and you can increase the height. Which way? Altogether, if you want, just you have to select the corner points, and then you have to increase or decrease the columns. Got it? So it's very easy to resize the chart. Resize means to increase, decrease size of the chart. So we can resize the chart easily, right? So any doubt, any clarification? I hope so you understood this point, how to resize. So altogether the points which we have covered till now are, the first we have learned chart, okay, the use of chart, or what is the important of the chart. It is pictorial representation of any data. By one look we can understand everything. Second thing, we have learned the area or the elements or components of the charts, components of the charts like x-axis, y-axis, legend and all. Okay, then we have covered up types of chart. There are main 6 type of chart: column chart, line chart, pie chart, area chart, x scatter chart. Okay, then now we have learned how to create the chart. That is very simple. First we have to enter the data, and just we have to go to insert tab and select the type of chart. Just now we have learned how to resize the chart. So these all the points are very simple, very easy, but still you read the lesson once and practice at home, then only everything will be clear for you. If you will miss one single step of selection of this chart or data, your chart won't get created. So be aware of the steps and practice it well. Okay, so now let's see the what is the next point. So next point is given on the next page, that is changing chart type. How to change the chart type. So please watch this.
Changing chart type. The steps to change the chart type are: select the chart on the worksheet, The chart tools having design and format tabs appear on ribbon. Click on Design tab. In Type group, click on Change Chart Type button. The Change Chart Type dialog box appears. In All Charts tab, select the new chart type in left pane and its subtype in the right pane. Click on OK button.
It's again very simple, right? So we'll do practically these steps and we'll try to understand. So look at the steps. First, we need to click on the chart. As soon as you will click on the chart, this design tab will get open and change chart type. Also showing here. In video, you have seen that is at the right side, but here it is left side. So this is because that version is 2010 and this is 2007. Here I am using the Office 2007. So here you will get the option at the left side. Click on this and then here we have the option which we want to change, bar chart. Now you first look at the picture, this chart, and now as I'll click on the bar, then which one we want, this one, okay, and okay. So now it is changed into bar chart. So same way we can select another type also, select pie chart, okay. So pie chart is showing red house code mode, green, blue, yellow, different, okay. So this is very simple step how to change the chart type. Okay, after creating also you can change it. That is a great feature of Microsoft Excel. Now the next point we will cover, that is changing chart style. How to change the chart style.
Changing chart style. The steps to change the chart style are: select the chart on the worksheet. The chart tools having design and format tabs appear on ribbon. Click on Design tab. Click on drop-down button of Chart Styles and select the required style from the menu.
Is it easy or difficult? Very simple, right? What we need to do, select the chart, go to design type, and here are the chart style. Which chart style you want, that we have to select. First we will change the chart type, line chart, okay. And then we will go to design, and whichever design you would like to, that you can apply. Just go to design tab. When you will click on the chart, automatically design tab will get open. If doesn't open, first we have to click on design tab, then we have to select the chart style. That's all. So let's change the type. We will select the column chart, okay. And we can see this different designs are available for column, so we can go for this. Got it? So this one also very simple. So let's have a small recap what we have covered the point till now. So the starting we have learned introduction of the chart, right? So lesson number 8, that is about Excel, and in Excel we are learning the chart. First we learn the uh, element of the chart, then types of chart, 6 type of chart, then how to create charts, how to resize chart, then changing chart type, how to change the chart, and style, how to change the style of the charts. So all these points are easy, and but only one thing is you need to practice. Then for you it would be easy, for me it is easy, but after practice it would be easy for you also. So keep practicing these things, right?